So I work for William Cook in Leeds. We manufacture steel components for the rail industry. At William Cook I'm a CNC machinist, and that involves me running the machines at their full potential to maximise production output. So what I like about working at William Cook is that it's a nice friendly environment, and it always gives me the opportunity to learn and develop. So one of the highlights of the AMRC was I was given the opportunity to go to a press conference held by McLaren, where I got to see and sit in 3 McLaren supercars. Another highlight was in the AMRC workshop, where I had to manufacture a team of table football players while still learning the CNC machining.
Since starting an apprenticeship here at William Cook, Shivan has excelled learning new skills. Over this time, we've seen him change from a novice CNC operator to a young engineer capable of programming, editing, even training other people on the machines himself. This is an inspiration to the others around him who can see what can be achieved through hard work and determination. He is clearly focused to what he wants to achieve from his apprenticeship, and he's not scared to take on challenges and reach his goal.
So my career aspirations are that I'd like to become a manufacturing engineer, where I would design, program and lead projects undertaken by the company. I'd like to then become competent within that role so I can move into a management role within the future.